Welcome to Robuschi Parma, the heart of innovation and manufacturing for low-pressure solutions within Ingersoll Rand. I'm Stefano Santelli, the site and plant leader, and I'm proud to guide you through our world-class facility.
When you talk about Robuschi, you talk about 85 years of expertise, innovation, and dedication. You talk about people, engineers, technicians, and the teams who have built solutions that power industries, communities, and ecosystems. From Parma, Italy, to the world, Robuschi stands for quality, reliability, efficiency, and trust.
Our development process is rigorous, from design for sustainability to advanced digital simulation tool. We can innovate faster, smarter, and with less environmental impact. As part of the Ingersoll Rand community, we share expertise across the globe, learning from each other and improving every single day.
Here, tradition meets with cutting-edge technologies. We design and manufacture rotary lobe blowers and screw compressor with the highest precision, from the meticulous machining of rotors to the complete assembly of our robot packages. Thanks to our talented people and advanced process, we reach an annual production of 13,500 lobe blowers, screw compressor, liquid ring, and centrifugal pumps delivered worldwide. Our production is optimized. We balance automation and the unmatched expertise of our operators, ensuring not only efficiency but also reliability on every single unit we deliver. We have enhanced quality control, so accuracy is guaranteed at every step of the process. We embrace smart manufacturing by leveraging IoT and data-driven insights. We have also invested in a dedicated aftermarket hub, allowing us to ship service kits and spare parts faster than ever, so our customer can maximize their uptime. Robuschi Parma is now officially recognized as Ingersoll Rand European Center of Excellence for Low-Pressure Solutions, the result of significant investment in technology, automation, and talent development. Clear proof of our long-term commitment to customer success and innovation.